Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use refresh service on Dubizzle. Once you're logged into your Dubizzle account, here on the top panel you'll see my ads. And if you click on this, you get redirected to this page where you will see all your listings. Let's say for example this listing right here of this car. If I click here on view insights, you will notice that on the first day it did get a lot of impressions, and now since it is over a day old, the impressions have stopped. So what you need to do is come here and click on boost this listing, and you get redirected to this page where you need to select a package. They give you the premium ad package where your ads will be placed on top of all the ads, and every single day your ad will be automatically refreshed. So you can choose one for 7 days or 14 days as well. If you want, you can also select the feature ad one. It will also be refreshed every single day, but in this case it will appear above the standard ad but after the premium ads. And you can also select some badges. These are optional. Then you come here, enter your discount code if you have one, hit apply so you can get that discount, and then you click here on pay. You just have to enter your card details, the name on your card number, expiration date, and CVV code, and finally you can go ahead and pay. But that is how to use refresh service on Dubizzle.